In collaboration with the Illinois Sheriff's Association and the Illinois Association of Chiefs of Police, we were able to determine necessary guardrails to include in this legislation. It would require law enforcement agencies to conduct a more comprehensive review of a prospective officer's past employment to ensure his or her physical and psychological fitness for duty as a police officer before making an offer of employment.
This legislation in Illinois is the kind of common sense legislation that will bring the kind of thing that this will never happen to another family. No one applied for this fraternity that your child would be taken away through the good old boy system. This man should have never been given a gun and a badge to kill my child.
Leader, I appreciate your work on this. I know what you were trying to do. I don't know that this language gets you there, and I have some concerns with that. I was a no in committee, and I'm probably still going to be a no. I'd love to talk to you more about it, for other things we can do, but as it is, I still have some reservations. I see in the bill that there's an avenue for the hiring agency to file in court to get those records, but I still have a problem, just like we do now, if someone doesn't comply, at what point in time, we may have a good applicant, we may have a good candidate, but if one private agency or one law enforcement agency doesn't get back to us, that person doesn't get in the door. So I'm concerned about that.